Is your Apple Watch stuck on a black screen and not responding? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Apple Watch black screen issue step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Reset your Apple Watch. First, press and hold both the side button and the digital crown at the same time for about 10 seconds. If your Apple Watch is still stuck on a black screen, follow my next solution. Solution 2. Check the charger. Make sure you're using the official Apple Watch magnetic charging cable or USB-C magnetic fast charging cable. Check that the cable is securely plugged into the USB power adapter and that the adapter is firmly plugged into a working power outlet. Charge it for about 1 hour. If it won't work for you, then charge it overnight. Solution 3. Force restart Apple Watch. Now connect your charger to your Apple Watch. Press and hold both the side button and the digital crown at the same time until the Apple logo appears. Now let go and wait for it to restart. If the Apple Watch is stuck on a black screen and you still face the same issue, then you have to go to the Apple Care. And this is where you can solve the Apple Watch black screen issue. And this is how you can solve the Apple Watch black screen issue. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye today.